My name is Julia, and in this video, we are going to talk about sales funnel. Let me tell you about the 7 levels of affinity that Netflix has established to reel you into a love affair. This story begins on a Sunday afternoon when, to escape boredom, Shelley visits the website of a streaming platform, Netflix, a strange name she learned of from a conversation among her friends. Even before her eyes had met the content of Netflix, the bright red button offering her a 30-day free trial had already lured her in. Salvation winked when Netflix then guided her through the introduction page, boasting of the many benefits to signing up for the streaming service. Finally, the deal was sealed upon the payment details page where she began her premium membership. In the above example, Netflix, through a step-by-step process, converted Shelley, a prospect, into a customer. This process is called sales funnel. As Shelley became aware of Netflix through word of mouth, her interest generated, and she searched for the company online. This information nurtured her frail interest into a more sincere pursuit as she learned that Netflix offers exactly what she needs on a slow and boring Sunday afternoon: entertainment. At this stage, Shelley, a prospect, is now ready to invest a small amount into the company's product. The 30-day free trial is an offer which makes the deal even more irresistible. Just to think, Shelley is now a customer after a few clicks. However, this procedure is not that simple. Creating a sales funnel process requires an in-depth analysis of the desired customer. Who is your audience? What are their needs and goals? How does your product solve their problem? All this information allows you to create a persona for each type of customer and imagine the different reasons for buying the product your company has to offer. To get someone to buy, first, you need to have them enter your sales funnel. Increase visibility. Entice them with an offer. Create a user-friendly landing page optimized for the concerns of the user. Develop email marketing campaigns, and stay in touch with your customers. This process is called a funnel because you start with a large quantity of prospects who are aware of the product you are offering. And some of these will funnel downward as a result of the marketing setup. Only a fraction of those will convert into customers at the bottom of the funnel. So, are you ready to create a sales funnel for your product? Let us know in the comments about how you plan to interject audiences into your sales funnel. Give us a like if you found this useful and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Data Science Dojo. Data science for everyone.